Hello class, it is Miss Carpenter and here's a really quick video on how you can get started with your book Bento. You can see here's one that I was playing around with and I'm going to show you how I got that. Remember, you need 5 to 7 items for your book Bento. I'm not going to add that many in this video just for the sake of time, but I want to add enough so that you get an idea of how it works. First off, I don't want a plain white slide. I want my image to have a background. So I'm just going to go ahead and search image, search the web, and I'm going to have like a table background, something like that. You can see all kinds of pretty ones there. I'm not crazy about the stuff already on the table. So what I'm going to do is, there's one. The wood's okay in this one, but I'm just going to go ahead and add that. Make it as big as my slide and stretch it. Oops. Stretch it out. There we go. Some options for you if you'd like. You can recolor this. I would go to Format, Format Options, Recolor, and you can play around with this as much as you want. See, you can get kind of a cherry finish there. Make it a little bit lighter, make it gray, make it teal. It's up to you. However you want to make it work. I like gray, so I'm just going to say that is good. Okay. Next, you also need your book cover art. So I was using Wizard of Oz as an example. I feel like it's something that a lot of us are familiar with. So I'm going to go ahead, insert image, search the web, Wizard of Oz cover art. And so here's one. Really some nice, cool old ones there, right? And I'm just going to have that probably in the center of my piece. I like how Google Slides lets you know right when it's in the center. So now I need to search the web to find those 5 to 7 objects that are symbolic to my novel. So one would probably be the ruby slippers. And remember to type in the word transparent. We can still use remove BG to take the background out. That's really not what I wanted. Maybe I'll say Dorothy slippers. Here we go. I'm going to go ahead and insert that in. You can always use remove BG to get the backgrounds off if sometimes things say that they're transparent and they're not. Let's see. Another item I think is symbolic in the Wizard of Oz would be a heart because of the Tin Man, right? The woodsman never gave him a heart. So I just might put that in there. Okay. Ooh, that's big. Let's make that littler. Little. Okay. So something else, maybe a brain. Oh, it's because it said background. That's why it wasn't what I wanted. Here we go. Let's do that one instead. Much better. Okay. So I'm going to make it little. I'm going to put it somewhere around my photo, my image of my book. Maybe I can say brain. I like that one. Put that in there. So once I've got my 5 to 7 objects on here and I have them arranged in a way that, you know, I think is going to be pretty. Okay, you would do this. You would go to, let me move my head. Oh, File, Download, JPEG, current slide. Make sure you're on the right slide that you're working on. Okay, and you can see that it just drug it right down there for me. Then you're going to go to Thinglink. Okay, Thinglink bento.com. And you're going to sign up with Google. Now, as one of my students found out when she said she was a student and signed in with Google, she needed an invite code. Here is where those are. I've got my students right here, and here they are. 6th grade, there's your invite code. 7th grade, there's yours. 8th grade, there's yours. Once you have added that code, you should be able to hit create. Then you have these options that you see here. We downloaded a JPEG of that slide, so it is an image. I'm going to upload an image, and it'll pull up your computer here, and you should have it right there in your downloads. And here we are. Now I can hit add tag. I'm going to add text or media, and you type it in here on the left. So it would be The Wizard of Oz. Oop, not The Wizard of Zoe. The Wizard of Oz, and then here is my summary. You can change the icon if you'd like. And done. And done. And now I've got a Thinglink for there that's going to have my summary on the cover art. When you're done putting a link to every single object, telling me what that object is in its title and why in the description, once you've finished, you're going to hit done, and you're going to hit share. Share link, and you can copy the link. You're going to go to today's assignment on book Bento. Is this the assignment? I believe it is. And you should be able to hit submit, and then you can put that link in your submission. Please let me know if you have any questions or run into any problems doing this. All right? Thank you. Bye-bye.